everybody. Today I am going to be doing a Attax Champions League starter pack opening. So this is like my first video in quite a long time. If you don't know what the starter pack is, like a binder. This is a Champions League 17-18 one. It comes with an exclusive gold limited edition Cristiano Ronaldo, 97 attack. I'm not sure what's his defense. And the contents, cool collector binder, checklist, awesome double play pitch, game guide, mega packet of 25 cards, including one gold limited edition player. So yeah, 25 cards. And at the back it says look out for the platinum limited edition Gareth Bales. And these are some of the cards here. They collect these amazing cards during their 17-18 seasons. You can read all of that. Okay. If you didn't have enough time, you could pause the video there. So, yeah, let's just get it open. Let's see how do we open this up here, right? Okay, we're getting in. Opening it from the back. I don't want to see the card yet. So here is, that's the back of the checklist. Here's the real binder. Okay. Yeah, so here's the real binder. It's not anything inside. But how to play, how to play, and then like it's a booklet. No, this is the pitch, not a booklet. Sorry. Yeah. Here's how the play pitch looks like. Very nice. Okay, there's that. Then this is like to complete your collection thing. I'm not sure. And then we got the front of the checklist. And then we have the 25 cards. And there is the gold limited edition Cristiano Ronaldo. And we're just going to get the packet open. I'm going to show you the cards. We're going to assemble the binder. Okay, so going in. So there is the gold limited edition Cristiano Ronaldo. Then we got his code card. Now we got. Oh wait. Okay, wait. Turvey, Michael Rice, Pedro, Adriano, Grimaldo, Bashikoglu, Jan Vertonghen, Comper, Alaba, Luis, Batshuayi, Marega, Felipe Luis, good card. Fernando Torres also good card. Bruma, Walker, Otamendi, Ojaku, Hernani, Nuku, Jonas, Tillman, Tilemans, Iker Casillas, Jens Toornstra, sorry. So yeah, there are all the cards. We're gonna pause the video and I'll be back soon. So I'll assemble the binder right now. Okay, so here is the binder completed. No, it's not completed. I just finished assembling it. So yeah, just stick in the top, the front cover, put in the checklist, then go to the back page. Get the back of the checklist, and then you put and then I'm not sure if you have to put this complete your collection paper at the back here, or if it just ends like that. Yeah, we'll just leave it ending like that. So there is the starter pack opening. Hope you enjoyed that video. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those notifications so you never miss an upload from WC Trading Cards. Bye!